Hey guys, welcome to today's video. As you can see, today's video is a little bit different. As I mentioned in the Facebook post last week, this video is dedicated and inspired by and to Toilet Executive. Alright, so I've noticed that a ton of my friends that are in my circle in the CN's gaming community they are trying streaming. So I just thought that today it's going to be a video about sharing what I've learned over the years about streaming, about OBS, about how to mix your audio, etc. So this video in particular, we will be focusing on audio. And there's a saying that goes that it doesn't matter if you have a crappy webcam or if you don't even have a webcam, but having a crappy audio is not tolerable. Okay, so I'm here to share what I know so that hopefully it will help you guys to have a better audio setup for your stream. With that said, let's hop into the video. Oh, and I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday on Twitch and on Facebook, so please check out. I'm on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, links in the description below. So one of the first thing is that adjusting the volume of your microphone. Okay, if you look at the volume meter on screen right now, you will see that my audio is peaking around, it's hovering around -9 and -18. Okay, this is where you should keep your audio at. Now secondly is OBS is quite a powerful software. So what you can do is you can click on the gear icon, go to filters, and as you can see in my audio filters, there are quite a few things. So this will further enhance your audio quality. And the first thing is to have noise suppression level. So for some of you, if you're using a condenser mic or even a dynamic mic, if you don't know what that is, I made a post about microphone recommendation on my Facebook, links in the description below as well. Check it out. So this will help eliminate background noise. Okay, so like maybe if someone's opening the door in the house or your room, this will help eliminate that. Now this is noise suppression. I recommend that you start at -20, then you play around with it, see how much of the background sound your microphone is capturing. Okay, mine is at 15. The next thing is noise gate. Now noise gate means the close threshold, which means that any noise that is below -35, the OBS will not capture it. Okay, anything below 35. Okay, and the opening threshold is at -34, which means that anything above -34 decibels, the microphone OBS will pick it up and the stream will be able to hear it. The attack time and the hold time and release time is just, if I'm not mistaken, is by default. Just leave it at there. Bear in mind that all these settings that I'm showing you guys here is just a reference. Okay, you can use my settings as a reference, then you can slowly adjust it according to your preference. Next thing is that we have compressor, which means that it will take the softest volume of your voice and the loudest volume of your voice, and they will, through software processing, OBS will make it that the volume is more or less balanced. So if I speak this soft, you will hear the same volume as I speak so bloody loud. Okay, so yeah, so the attack time again should be 1 ms as soon as possible. Okay, as quickly as possible. The release, the output gauge, just leave it there. Okay, side chain ducking source, I will touch on it in a bit. And with gain is because of the compression, so I add a little bit of gain. One thing is that you do not want your mic to have hissing sounds when the audio is completely quiet. So for example, if I keep quiet right now, you should not be able to hear any hissing noise. Okay, any sound. Okay, so that's why I kept the gain on the microphone relatively low. However, I make it up here. Start at 5, then adjust it according to your need. Now a limiter is a lifesaver, especially for people like me who likes to shout or scream during stream. So a limiter is the limit where the mic will output the volume. So I set mine at 9 decibels, which I highly recommend that you guys do it as well. The release time, just put it at 60 ms, it doesn't matter. Okay, so which means that your mic will forever, the maximum, the loudest output of your mic will be at -9 decibels. So yeah, by the way, as for those of you who video edits as well, the industry standard for audio output, it's -3 to 9 for all volume, whether it's music or voice or gameplay or whatever. The industry standard is -3 to -9. Now with that said, you should also so just now I talked about audio ducking. Okay, so you should go to your desktop audio as well. Same thing, go to compressor. Okay, now for this, I mean, the industry in general does not recommend setting it higher than 4:1 ratio. Okay, so this side ducking, which means that if I play a music right now, let me just put it up a little bit. Okay, the music is hovering at -15, but when I talk, the music goes down. Okay, so that is the purpose of it. Now, generally, what you should do is the volume of your music should always be about 15 decibels lower than your volume, especially if you are talking. You should set it in a way that so you can adjust the threshold here. So let's say I put it at -40. Okay, so when I talk, then the music will dip even more. Okay, so like I said, for the compressor, play with it. You can use mine as a reference. I'll put a screenshot on the screen right now. So play with it and see how you like it. When you speak, your voice should always be the loudest. Okay, not your gameplay, not the gun sound, not the music. Your voice should be the loudest. All right. So keep that in mind. Otherwise, your viewers will not be able to hear what you're saying, and the viewer will not be able to enjoy your stream. Because remember, when you're streaming, you are the content, not the game that you're playing. All right. So yeah, that's all for today. Once again, if you have any question, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below, or you can join my Discord, and you can PM me, ask questions in Discord, and I will even offer to coach you personally, help you with your settings, and just to guide you through this whole OBS thing. Okay, well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.